the spool time, like, it's incredible. Like, it's super responsive.
Quick, yeah, for big turbo.
Honestly, like, head was glued. Head was glued.
There you go. That's actually as hard as I've held it in higher gears since it's been tuned.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I feel honored.
That's only like...
Man, that thing pulls, too.
Every gear it just pulls.
And the shifts, dude. Like, that was the thing I was super, super excited to feel is the transmission.
Dude, that...
CF, man, I'm sold.
It wins races, dude. That shifting wins races, I'm telling you. It makes this car so much quicker.
I was just like, I expect it to be quick. I was like, I just want to feel what the transmission's like. That feels like a dual clutch to me. Like,
bam, bam, bam. I mean, it's there, dude. It's there. And they say with Beamer code, which is like you do coding and stuff on the car, that you can actually put a Sport Plus mode that makes the transmission shift like point something faster or whatever.
That's crazy.
Yeah, like I don't even.
I mean, like
I don't need that. Really.
That already. I was shocked. That felt awesome. I wanted one before, but now I'm officially sold. Because the
second, third gear does not like hooking up. Like I can't get on.
Yeah.
I tried to give you a little second gear, but it's like impossible about it.
Yeah, that was crazy. Turbo noises too.
Yeah,
they're so much more apparent than the stock one is. It seems like. Gosh almighty.
It's just on 93, so it can be more on some ethanol.
That's what's shocked. I'm just like, wow. I was like, I can't imagine.
Yeah.